Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Preschool Storytime with the Fond du Lac Public Library. My name is Miss Sarah. I'm so glad you're joining me here again. I hope you guys have been having fun with us watching these story times. We've been having a lot of fun using this time as a way to connect with you while we're at home and you're at home. We can at least see each other a little bit this way. So, just a reminder, I do have a cat. His name is Cheddar. Sometimes he shows up. He hasn't so far today. So we'll see what happens. You might see him, you might hear him. It just depends on how he's feeling. I think he's sleeping right now, so we probably won't see him, but you never know. He could wake up at any minute. Okay, we're gonna start with our hello song. So I need to see everybody's waving hands. Can you get out those waving hands for me? Good. Okay, are we ready to wave hello? Here we go. This is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello, 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 hello. Good job. We're going to turn those waving hands into clapping hands, but we need to get them nice and warmed up. So can you rub your hands together? Get them nice and warm. Good. Okay, are they warm? Get ready to clap them. This is the way we clap hello, clap hello, clap hello. This is the way we clap hello, 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 hello. Good job, everybody. Thank you. Okay, it is time for one of our other favorite things to do first thing in the morning is to stretch our fingers out wide and shut them, clap them. We're going to put them in our lap. Do you remember where your lap is? If you are sitting down, which I imagine you might be, then it is this spot right on top of your legs. And then we're going to creep and crawl them to different parts of our bodies, and we're going to shake them. Bet you can do that. And we're going to roll them, which is a little trickier, so let's practice rolling our hands. Good. And at the end, we're going to blow a big kiss. Good. Okay, here we go. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth. Ah, but do not let them in. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right up to your nose, nose, nose. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right down to your toes, toes, toes. Oh, Sarah struggled there. Shake them, roll them, make them into little fists. Shake them, roll them, then you blow a kiss. Mwah! Good job. Thank you. I'm sorry that I almost fell. I'm standing too close to my bookshelf, apparently. Got a little caught on one of my shelves. Sorry about that, guys. See? Crazy things. You never know what's going to happen in story time. Thank you for opening and shutting your hands with me. So now let's stretch out our bodies, get some of our wiggles out before we sit down for our stories. Can you stand up so we can jump, jump, jump? And we can hop, hop, hop. Good. We can clap, clap, clap. And we can stomp, stomp, stomp. We can shake our heads for yes and shake our heads for no. And we can bend our knees a little bit and sit down slow. Good job, everybody. All right, we're going to learn a sign. Today's sign is something that you might see outside, something that I hope to see a lot more of soon. Now that the warmer weather is finally coming, it grows out of the ground or on a bush sometimes. There are lots of different kinds and lots of different colors. They smell delicious or wonderful or beautiful. You give them to somebody that you love to show them that you love them. It is the sign for flower. So to make the sign for flower, you're going to pinch all of your fingers and your thumb together. Make a little pinchy like that, and then you are going to wave it in front of your nose like you are smelling a flower. Smell those flowers. Good. Flower. Good job. All right, it is time for our first story. which is called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. He is sleeping. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dank, too dark." So she lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. What did she make? She made a campfire. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. That bear is just sleeping. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Tea and popcorn, yum yum. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Even those burps didn't wake up the bear. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy-yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." So nice of the badger to share. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Woof, who's coming now? A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chant and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at how much fun they're having. And bear is just sleeping. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Pepper fleck comes to the bear. Achoo! Pepper makes you sneeze. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Are they supposed to be in his den? I don't know. So what's he gonna do? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Doesn't seem like a very friendly bear, does he? "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. That means he cries. Look at him crying. How does the bear feel? He feels so sad because they were all having fun without him. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Now all of Bear's friends are sleeping and the bear is awake. Look at them all sleeping in a big old pile. Isn't that nice? Looks cozy. The end. Did you guys like that story? Yeah, it's a fun one. Do you know that bears sleep through the winter? It's called hibernation. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Sleep through the winter. Okay, it is time to do a song. We're going to do some dancing. This one's called My Ups and Downs, brought to us by our friend Jim Gill. So I have a feeling we're going to do a lot of going up and a lot of going down. So I'm going to try not to get stuck on my bookcase again. Word of warning, just in case I do. All right, here we go. Let's listen and see what the song is going to tell us to do. Ooh.
As I ascend, my arms extend, and I intend to stretch my body straight.
Can you go straight?
As I elevate,
tall.
The music falls, I'm getting small. I finally sprawl till I can move no more. On the floor. My body grows and grows until I pose on tiptoes. I am way up high.
On your tippy toes.
Near the sky.
Can you tip the sky?
Soon I sink, my size will shrink. I'm on the brink of bruising my
go down again.
As I collapse
To the floor.
One last time, I think I'll
back
climb.
up.
This pantomime has surely been fantastic. Like elastic,
Up tall.
my knees bend as I descend. This song must end while I am sitting down on the ground.
Can you sit down on the ground? Good job. Good job. That was a nice, good stretching. Stretching up tall and then getting really small. Good job, friends. Okay, so there are 5 early literacy practices that help get your kids ready to read. They are talking, singing, reading, writing, and playing. Today we're talking about writing. So one way to get ready for your kids to learn how to write is to have them paint using Q-tips instead of paintbrushes. You have to use more of the muscle, the fine motor skills that you need for writing to hold a Q-tip rather than a paintbrush. So that will help develop the strength and the muscle memory in their hands when it comes to later holding a pencil. Neat, isn't that? Okay, it's time for our next story. It is called Plant the Tiny Seed by Christie Matheson. And I think I might need you guys to help me with this. So follow along, see what we're gonna do. There's magic in this tiny seed. Press it down and count to 3. So you guys are gonna use your imagination and you're gonna press the floor right in front of you and pretend there's a seed there, and we're gonna count. 1, 2, 3. Plant another, then 1 more. Press them down and count to 4. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Nice counting. Wiggle your fingers to add some water. Can you wiggle your fingers? Wiggle, wiggle your fingers. Make sure they get nice and watered. That's enough. Next, rub the sun to make it hotter. Okay, so can you rub a spot on the floor in front of you, or rub your hands together to make the sun hotter? Let's rub our hands together. Good. Tap the cloud and wish for rain. Can you clap your hands together to wish for rain? Tap. Tap, tap and clap. Clap. And wish for rain, think about rain. Good job. Whoa. Clap to bring the sun again. Let's clap our hands to get the sun to come out. Find the worm. Look for its tail. Do you see a worm anywhere? I see a ladybug. I think that's a worm right there. The tail of the worm. Shoo away the hungry snail. Let's, on the count of 3, let's say, go away, snail. 1, 2, 3. Go away, snail. Good. We don't want him to eat our plants. Tell the little bud good night. Everybody say, good night. Good night. Guess what you'll see in the morning light. What do you think we grew? What are we going to see when the sun comes out again? Oh, let's see. Wow! Now point to the purple flower. Where's the purple flower? Can you point to that purple flower for me? Good, right there. Bzzz. Uh-oh, who came? Bzzz. We got some bees. Tap the cloud again. Tap the cloud again. It's another rain shower. More rain. Scared those little bees away and watered our flowers. What other color flower do we have now? We have a purple flower and what color is that other flower? Red, right. Touch the blossoms gently, please. Can you touch, let's touch your knees. Touch your knees gently. Orange, purple, red. Good job. Ooh. Now jiggle the plants to scatter the seeds. Can you wiggle to scatter some seeds? Good. Some beautiful hummingbirds are visiting our plants. The purple flower needs a clip. Swipe across the stem. Snip, snip. You guys can do this with your fingers. Snip. Close your eyes and wave your hands in the air. Everybody close your eyes and wave your hands in the air. Let's see what happened. Oh, look! There's magic everywhere. Look at how big our flowers are. And we've got bees and butterflies and a hummingbird visiting them. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. The end. Good job. Thank you guys for helping with that. Maybe you can plant some seeds of your own if the weather starts to get nice. Wouldn't that be fun? We're going to practice planting seeds right now with a little song to the tune of the Wheels on the Bus. It's called Will Our Flowers Bloom? So that's what we're going to say instead of all day long when we get to that part in the song. So we're going to do a couple different things. We're going to plant our seeds, so we're going to poke them in the ground. And then the rain's going to fall. And then the sun is going to come out. And then our seeds are going to sprout. Okay, here we go. The seeds from the pack go in the ground, in the ground, in the ground. The seeds from the pack go in the ground. Will our flowers bloom? Here comes the rain. The rain from the sky goes drip, drip, drop, drip, drip, drop, drip, drip, drop. The rain from the sky goes drip, drip, drop. Will our flowers bloom? What's going to come out now? The sun above is bright and hot, bright and hot, bright and hot. The sun above is bright and hot. Will our flowers bloom? Our little seeds are sprouting fast, sprouting fast, sprouting fast. Our little seeds are sprouting fast. Look, our flowers bloomed. Good job, good job. If you guys grow any flowers, I would love to see them. I love flowers, they're so pretty. I would love to see some flowers that you grew. That would be so exciting. Okay, are you ready to sing your ABCs with me? Okay, we're gonna sing the alphabet song all together on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job. Thank you, everybody, for singing along with me. All right, now it's time for Crisscross Applesauce. So if you have somebody you love nearby whose lap you can sit in, go ahead and climb up in their lap. If you don't, if you have a stuffed friend nearby who you can put in your lap, you can do that. You can follow along with me, and I'll show you what to do. Here we go. Let's get ready. Crisscross applesauce. Spiders crawling up your back. Cool breeze. Tight squeeze. Now you've got the shivers. Good job. Let's do that again. This time, if you have somebody you love nearby who will let you do it on their back, you can get behind them and do the actions on their back. Here we go. Crisscross applesauce. Spiders crawling up your back. Cool breeze. Tight squeeze. Now you've got the shivers. Good job, everybody. All right, I think that means it's time to say goodbye. So everybody get up on your feet so we can wave all of our body parts, because we like to wave them all. Here we go. We're going to wave up high and wave down low, because I think it's time we got to go. So wave your elbows and wave your toes. Wave your tongue and wave your nose. Good job. Wave your knees and wave your lips. Then blow a kiss with your fingertips. Wave your ears and wave your hair. Wave your belly and your derriere. That means your bottom. Wave your chin. And wave your eye, blink your eyes, and wave your hands and say goodbye. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you had fun. We hope you had fun. Everybody at the library wants you to be having fun with our story times. We can't wait to see you all again. Don't forget, Thursday at 1:30 we have family story time. Friday we have baby story time at 9:30 a.m. Next week will be our last week of story time, so we will have Spanish story time at 10 a.m. on Monday. Toddler and preschool story time on Tuesday and Wednesday at 9:30 and 10:30 a.m. One more family story time next Thursday at 1:30, and then the last baby story time on Friday at 9:30, and then we're going to take a short break to get ready for summer. We will be getting everything ready for summer so that we are ready to see you guys again when June hits. We hope you guys have a good time. Hope we'll see you again very soon, hopefully tomorrow for story time. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day. Go plant some seeds. Bye, everybody.